So we'll see in this lesson how to ask for an info in French. So we'll start with the most polite form and then we'll end up with a less formal one. Let's put it that way. So the first one, could you tell me what time the store opens? Pourriez-vous me dire à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? Pourriez-vous me dire à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? Pourriez-vous me dire à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? So you can see that I've been putting this pourriez, which is the conditional form, the mood for politeness. And then I've been changing the order because I want to make it extremely formal. So I first start with the verb and after that I put the subject. Pourriez-vous? And the question continues like that. So this is the reason why in that case this question is extremely polite. We go for the vous form, so the polite form. We go for the conditional and then we change the order. So this is the most polite form to ask. And now, could you tell me where the train station is? Pourriez-vous me dire où se trouve la gare? Pourriez-vous me dire où se trouve la gare? Pourriez-vous me dire où se trouve la gare? Same thing here. I'm using the vous, I'm using the conditional, I'm changing the order. So this is extremely formal, this is extremely polite. Can you tell me what time the store opens? Vous pourriez me dire à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? Vous pourriez me dire à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? Vous pourriez me dire à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? So you can see that in that case, I changed slightly because I'm still using the conditional form, I'm still using the vous, the polite form, but then I'm keeping the normal order. Vous pourriez, subject, verb. This is extremely polite too, but then I just decided to keep the order, which is totally possible. Same thing here. Can you tell me where the train station is? Vous pourriez me dire où se trouve la gare? Vous pourriez me dire où se trouve la gare? Vous pourriez me dire où se trouve la gare? Do you know what time the store opens? Savez-vous à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? Savez-vous à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? Savez-vous à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? So in that case, if you look carefully, if you compare, so I'm using now the vous form, so it's extremely polite. I'm not going for the conditional. I'm using the present. Do you know? Okay, but then still I'm putting I'm changing the order. It's polite. It's really polite, this one too. But I'm not going for the conditional. This is the only difference between what we had previously and now. Do you know where the train station is? Savez-vous où se trouve la gare? Savez-vous où se trouve la gare? Savez-vous où se trouve la gare? Do you know what time the store opens? Vous savez à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? Vous savez à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? Vous savez à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? As you can see here, same thing. I'm playing with the order. I'm just keeping the vous, so it's polite. It's still in the present indicative, so it's not in the conditional anymore. But it's really correct. It's really polite. Do you know what time the store opens? Vous savez à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? Vous savez à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? Vous savez à quelle heure ouvre le magasin? At what time does the store open? À quelle heure ouvre le magasin? À quelle heure ouvre le magasin? À quelle heure ouvre le magasin? So probably you can feel the difference now. This is less polite in a way because, I mean, it's still totally correct. Let's agree on that. But the fact that you're not using this vous form when you are talking to somebody, you're not going for the conditionnel, it makes it less polite. Okay? Where is the train station? Où se trouve la gare? Où se trouve la gare? Où se trouve la gare? The store opens at what time? Le magasin ouvre à quelle heure? Le magasin ouvre à quelle heure? Le magasin ouvre à quelle heure? Same thing here. Now we're not using the vous, we're using the words in the regular order, let's say, that I've been putting first the subject, after that the verb. I just raise my voice at the end to make it clear that it's a question. This is the probably, yeah, it's less formal, less polite. I mean, it's still okay as long as you smile with it. I mean, the person will not be shocked. And the last one, where is the train station? La gare se trouve où? La gare se trouve où? La gare se trouve où? So all these questions that I've been giving you, I mean, all these options, they're totally correct. They're really nice. It's a question of attitude in most of the cases, more than words, if you think about that. But if you really want to be extremely polite, remember that you should use the vous form when you address to somebody. You should use this conditionnel. After that, whether you want to change the order, let's say that in most of the cases people won't change the order, especially when they're talking. So, but keep in mind that the vous form is really the key to politeness, especially when you don't know the person, you want to ask for something, go for vous. Voilà, merci beaucoup.